Hallelujah. As we stand before our God this morning, that each and every one of us can testify that the waters of sin and affliction, the waters of troubles and sickness, the waters of death could not and cannot and will not quench the love of God towards each and every one of us every days of our life. As the choir sing this song, prepare your hearts, church, to give him thanks this morning. Hallelujah.
When he moves among us, all that he does, all of his mercy and all of his love. If the pen of the writer could write every day, even this world could never contain how much I've been blessed.
Sing it again. Hallelujah. Lift up your hands.
When he moves among us, all that he does,
think about his love,
all of his mercy